Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and send custom Snapchat stickers. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Snapchat account and then go to your camera. And here you just simply upload a picture. So I choose this one and click on the three dot icon and then click on edit snap. And here you see the Caesar option, so simply click on that and select the area, and after that click on done and then click on stickers, and here you see the Caesar option again, so click on that and then click on the sticker and select the area which you want to select to paste it. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.